For fresh Windows 11 installation, what you need to do is click on the media creation tool, okay, and then choose Windows 11 and then create USB and wait for it to download everything and get ready. You will run some setup over here and just do as how you install your Windows 10. So plug in your USB drive, at least 8 GB. Click next. Okay, I'll have my USB drive here. Click next and wait for the download to be completed. And once complete, we can restart the whole PC and do installation for Windows 11. So don't mind that it's written Windows 10 here. Okay, just leave it there and we'll come back once it's finished. Alright, looks like our USB flash drive is ready. So what we can do is finish. Okay, let it take a few moments. And what we can do now is restart and put into your Windows 11 pen drive. Okay, let's do restart. And just do installation for Windows 11 like usual. Okay, and now we'll be putting right into our pen drive with the Windows 11. Okay, so just go through as usual. So just press next, select your time and currency, install. Wait for it to start. Okay, do you have a product key? No, I do not have. So I'll install as trial first. As you can see, you can select any one of it that you want. So it will be in trial mode. So I'll choose Windows 11 Pro. Normally you will have to go through the TPM check, but this one is already bypassed. Okay, and let's delete all our media. Okay, since we are doing a clean installation, so make sure this is okay, 120 GB. Press next and just wait for everything to finish. Okay, looks like we are almost done. So once we get past everything here, we'll go to the initial setup and we'll be ready for your Windows 11 desktop. Alright, we have booted into our freshly installed Windows 11 and we are greeted with the Windows 11 logo. So you can select your country and region and do the setup as usual. So we just continue everything here right into our desktop. For now, I'll just press continue with a limited setup. So if you have an internet, you can actually log into your Hotmail. Oh, hold on. I do not want a password. So I'll keep on continue all the way right into the desktop. So whether you want to send dynastic data, which I do not want, okay, I'll just disable that. And we are ready to go. So greeted by a hi like Windows 10. Getting ready. Okay, let's wait for a while we put into our Windows. And welcome to Windows 11. So we have perfectly set up your Windows 11. So very easy for all your drivers and stuff, just use the Windows 10 drivers and you'll be having all the compatible drivers. And extra note, okay, some of you might not like the middle taskbar here. What you can do is just go to taskbar settings. Okay, go to your taskbar behaviors. Yep, it's at the taskbar behavior. So you can align back to the left, so you get this one. And some of you might not be very keen with the new menu list over here, okay? So you can actually get the old one by going back to your file explorer. Okay, there's a three dot here. You click the three dot, go to your properties. No, sorry, go to your options. Okay, go to your options, go to view and look for launch folder Windows in a separate process. So press OK and then just do a restart. You'll get back the old file explorer. Okay, so any question, try to leave your comments at the video below and I will try to answer all of it. Thank you. Enjoy your Windows 11.